This video will show you quick and easy ways how you can test your engine cooling fan, even if you don't want to remove it from the vehicle, or you don't want to spend any money on special tools, or even if you want to test it without having to open the hood. I promise that everyone will find its own way that is easy to follow for him. The first option you have is to use bidirectional OBD2 scanner. I know I said that you can do it without special tools, but for you that have this scanner or are willing to buy one, this is the easiest way because you don't even have to open the bonnet. All you have to do is simply plug in your scanner, turn on the ignition, let the scanner automatically find the VIN number. Now open the engine control module, go to actuation test. These are the bidirectional tests. Select engine fan, we can do high speed on. Okay, so we successfully confirmed that engine cooling fan works. Now I know not all of you want to buy bidirectional scanner, mostly because they are not cheap. However, I do have another video where I recommend cheap bidirectional scanners starting from as little as $50. You can watch this video up here. And also this way, I like this way because you can do it when you are checking used vehicle. If you, let's say you want to buy used vehicle and the owner says that it is overheating, but only because the engine cooling fan is not working. Now simply what you can do is just test the fan with bidirectional scanner, because usually when you're buying the car, the owner will not let you bypass any wires and basically do some weird stuff with cables to their vehicle. But if you don't want to use scanner, that is fine, you can use another ways. The other test you can do is simply you have to bypass the wiring, so you have to connect your battery directly with your engine fan. For that we can use the power probe. This is the easiest way to go about it. And also if you want to do any of automotive electrical testing, this is one of the best tools you will need. So if you don't have one, I strongly recommend you will buy one. Now all you have to do is connect the probe to the battery. It will start automatically, it is running directly from your battery. Now we have to locate connector for our engine fan, which is right here. So I can just unplug it. Okay, so now this is the connector for the engine fan. We have two terminals, one is ground and second is power. And this power probe has this ground cable, which we will connect to the ground terminal. Okay, so I connected the ground from the power probe. And now all I have to do with this tip, touch the power terminal and apply the power from the battery with the button on my probe. Press the button. See, the engine fan is spinning. But now, as I promised, I will show you how you can do it without any special tools. All you need to have is some way to connect the power and ground terminals with any cables to your battery. I will use these multimeter leads because they have these alligator straps, so they will hold in place. So I connected my two leads to my terminals, one to the ground, second on the power terminal. Now I connected the jumper cables to my leads. And now I think if I connect this to my battery, either I will burn down or the fan will start spinning. Okay, so basically, if you don't want to buy any special tools, all you need to have some wiring and directly connect your engine fan with any battery. I use this battery I have laying around, but you can probably use the battery in the vehicle as well. So that are the three easy ways how you can test if your engine cooling fan works.